Happy Kidoodles! Meow there! I'm Captain Whiskers, your silly cat friend. Today, we're going to learn the letters H to M. Let's start our alphabet adventure. Come learn with me. H is for horse. Say it with me. Horse! I is for ice cream. Say it with me. Ice cream. So tasty and sweet. J is for jelly. Say it with me. Jelly. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. K is for kite. Say it with me. Kite. It flies so high. L is for lion. Say it with me. Lion. Such a cute lion it is. M is for monkey. Say it with me. Monkey. Oh, he has a banana too.
Yeah, we did it, friends! You all were amazing! So, are you ready for our ABC song? Let's go!
H is for horse, fast and free. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet for me. J is for jelly, wobbly and fun. K is for kite, flying under the sun. L is for lion, with the mighty roar. M is for monkey who stole my snack and asked for more. Goodbye, friends! See you in the next episode where we'll learn from N to T. Till then, do the revision properly, my friends. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such fun videos.